Hello guys, my name is Seun Digital. I just want to do this video to show you something. I'm going to be having a training for just 30 people. I want to show you how to make money online. I woke up this morning and I found that people have sent me $54 in my account. I want to show you how I'm getting these dollars on daily basis, because you know what, I've realized on monthly basis rather, I've realized that you need to have multiple streams of income. Exactly, because you spend money every day, then you need to do something that will generate money every day. You spend every day, you need to generate money every day. So some people may be asking, how do I spend money every day? Some people as long as you're sleeping in the house that you live in, you will always pay for house rent, you always buy food to eat, you always do transport, all of those things. You need to know how to make money every day. You need to have all the sources of income. So I'm going to be showing you how to make money online, and with these two, and also how to create a PayPal account. And the next thing you're going to be seeing now, I want to show you the proof of how much I was paid from these particular accounts. Okay. If I scroll down my notification bar, you can see something right here, like PayPal. You see service from PayPal, service at international.paypal.com. You see, if I click on the email, you're gonna see what I'm trying to talk about now. I'm supposed to, you see, postermyword.com. I've sent you $54. Okay, this is what I want to show you. I want to show you how I got this money, and I'm going to be having the train, like I said earlier. It's just for 30 people alone. How you can be getting something even more than this per month. Every month you are getting something. You just do it once, you create the account once, you do the stuff once, and you're making continuous money from it. So I want you to key into this opportunity. If you're interested, the what's it called, the training fee is just 5,000 naira. If you are interested, just click the link in the description box of this video, and what we are going to be making the money together. All right, so click the link to join the group now. So what I'm going to do now, let me move on to show you my PayPal so that you would think uh, this is real, so you won't doubt it. Log into my PayPal right here from browser, because I think the app, I can't withdraw from the app. So let me log in from the browser. So PayPal. Okay, PayPal. So I just want to show you my PayPal. Log into my PayPal, and I can withdraw my money to my local bank account. So something like that. So this is the money, 54.01. You can see transaction everywhere. Okay, so if I want to transfer the fund now, I can transfer. Click on transfer money. Okay, then I'll click next. That's all. I'll just click next, and I'll get my money in my bank account. You see, next. Let me show you so that you see. You can click next again, but I don't want to withdraw the money now. So that's how you do it. Okay, that's how you do it. So let's do it. Let's do it together. I want to show you how to make, minimum of $100 every month in your PayPal account. The training is just 5,000 naira. So if you're interested, click the link in the description box, and I'll see you in the classroom. Bye bye. Just the training is not really expensive like that. So if you're interested to join this training, I want you to click the link below in the description box of this video, and I see you in the classroom.